What up, guys? I have a Briggs & Stratton 5 horsepower engine right here. It's got a problem. It's seized up. So I go to start it, I can't even pull it back. It's stuck. Now, this doesn't just apply to Briggs & Stratton 5 horsepower. This will fix any seized engine. So what I did, I went ahead and took off the gas tank just to get easier access to the spark plug and the insides. Pretty cool gas tank there. And I also took off the spark plug. It obviously came from right there. You'll want to definitely do the same. Got to get the spark plug off. I took that cover off. The pull cover right here. You don't have to do this. I wanted to get it off though, just to get a look at the inside. So this will go backwards, but when it tries to go forward, it's stuck. It might turn a little tiny bit or none at all, but this is definitely a problem, and it prevents you from starting your engine. Now the fix for this, what you're going to want to get is this stuff called Blaster right there. I got mine at Walmart, and you spray that right where the spark plug came out of, all up in there. Use quite a bit. What that does is it penetrates any parts that are stuck together. It's kind of like WD-40. It's supposed to work a little better, but it's not going to ruin your engine, and you'll definitely want to use a fair amount of it. Some people use a tube or a straw and insert the straw in there and spray it through the straw. I'm not so worried about that. Now I think I'm just going to hit the flywheel a little bit. It does look a little rusty. So, next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drain the oil. Now, the oil on this engine is on the opposite side, and there's going to be two plugs. One right there, and the other one right there. So obviously you're going to want to unscrew both those and get the oil out completely. Alright, so I put a brand new spark plug on, got my wire attached, got the oil filled, put the caps back on, put the pulley on. Now with any luck, this will go. Ah, perfect. Much better. Let's see if we can get it going.